Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. The new set's released today, that's the 1st of October 2022 at 8 PM at British summertime. You can purchase the sets as one big bundle that's exclusive to Clearly Besotted. So that's all of the sets plus free gifts and a 15% discount off of the price. But you can also purchase the sets separately from Clearly Besotted and also selected retailers. And I will have a list of those in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So this first set here is the Blooming Poppy Plushies set. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love this set. So you've got lots of poppies there. And then there are 3 different critters holding poppies as well. So there's the duck, the bear and the little squirrel there. And some lovely sentiments that work for lots of different occasions. Things like, thanks, you are so wonderful. Thanks for your lovely gift. Thank you for your friendship, support, miss you. So lots of different sentiments that you can kind of mix and match, and just a really beautiful set. I decided to make 2 projects because I love this set so much. So this first one here is the card, kept it very simple, stamped out the poppies on a panel of cardstock, coloured those with Copic markers, and then on a separate piece of cardstock I stamped out the little bear with the poppies and popped that on top. And then the sentiment is from that set as well. Just a really kind of simple thank you card, but I really love the impact of those poppies. And then because I didn't know whether to colour the poppies in blue or red, I'm a big fan of colouring flowers in blue, but I really like the red and I'm glad I did do the red. But I also wanted to do a cute little tag with the duck holding the poppies as well, and for those ones I thought I would do blue poppies. And the sentiment on this tag is from the next set that I'm going to share with you. So this is the Blooming Orchid Plushies, and again, absolutely beautiful. One of my favourite sets, although I decided to focus more on the Christmas and the holiday sets for this month because the release is a little bit bigger. There are 8 sets this month, and so I did one floral, but I love this set, and so I'm looking forward to hopefully using it soon. There's the kind of corner image with the orchids there, and then again 3 critters holding the orchids. So you've got the little dog there, the bunny and the cat. Some lovely sentiments again, ones that you can kind of mix and match. Find joy in the little things, thank you. It's always the little things that matter the most. With love, you've got like hugs, hello, thanks, from, to, sincere thanks. So you can kind of mix and match the sentiments. Again, perfect for lots of different occasions. So like I said, I didn't get a chance to use it for the release, but I'm hoping to soon. Next up is the Festive Sun Fun. So a great set for people that live in climates where Christmas and the holiday season is in the summer, unlike here in the UK where it's very much in winter. So there's the beach scene here with the palm tree that's dressed up kind of like a Christmas tree, which is really cute with presents under it and a beach ball. And then you've got the snowman, which is made as a sandcastle, which is just so fun. And then there's lots of different characters that can be on the beach, or you could use these separately. So you've got like one in the rubber ring there, one holding the ice cream cone, one with a cocktail, one with kind of like an ice lolly in the shape of a Christmas tree, and then one kind of lounging on the towel there. And you've got some little baubles and things that you can hang off the tree if you wanted. Just a really cute set. Again, some fun kind of sentiments. The weather outside is delightful. Sand is the new snow. Do you want to build a sandcastle? Like sending warm hugs. Just a really fun set. And so this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the background image first onto a panel of white cardstock, coloured that with Copic markers, and then I cut around the top so that I could add it onto another panel. So that panel at the back is made with some distressing. So I thought I would do kind of like a sunrise, sunset, just to make it a lot more brighter compared to sort of the general Christmas cards that I make that are usually kind of more cool toned colours. The sentiment there is from the Chitter Chatter set, which is a really great set filled with lots of different sentiments for all year round. And then I stamped out the little bear there holding the ice cream cone, kind of like a Christmas pudding, which is fun, and just popped that on top. So it's got a little bit of dimension to the card, but not too much, but it looks in some ways more because I've kind of cut out that panel. So yeah, really fun card, I think, to send to probably someone in Australia. Next up is the Beary Dear Friends set. So this is a really cute set. All these little bears, some of them dressed up as reindeer, or I'm assuming they could probably be reindeer. I'll be honest with you, I didn't use this set, so I didn't look at it as much as I probably did some of the other sets, but I think these are probably reindeer in their own, or you could have them as bears dressed up as reindeer, and then these ones here are the bears. So there's kind of like a scene, snowy scene here with some snowballs. The one kind of hiding behind the thing of snow, one's throwing snowballs, one's getting hit by snowballs. Just a really fun all-round set, and some cute sentiments. You're very dear to me, hooray for snow days, I have been naughty, you're a very dear friend. So yeah, really fun. I'll have a very nice Christmas. So you could use this for Christmas cards, but definitely just for general winter cards as well. Next up is the Polar Pals set, another one of my favourites, just such a cute set. So you've got the iceberg image here, and then all of the characters that can be on the iceberg, but you can definitely use these separately as well. It's got like the penguin there, the polar bears, the walrus and the seals, little hat there that they can have on. So you again could use this as Christmas and holidays, winter, but actually I think you can use this all year round, because obviously these polar bears and penguins and things like that obviously aren't just for the holiday season, they're all year round. So you've got things like where is it, cool birthday, like have a cool birthday. So like I said, you can use this all year round, but again, really good for Christmas as well. Merry Christmas from our family to yours, have an ice Christmas, a Merry Xmas. Yeah, just a kind of fun set. You've got like you're a cool dude as well. So yeah, like I said, can be used all year round. But I did go down the Christmas route for my tags. I thought I would create two little tags because I wanted to do kind of like a full Copic scene, and it's a little bit easier for me to do on a smaller scale with these tags rather than a card. So these are the Clearly Besotted Tag Along Die Collection, and then I simply just stamped out the iceberg image, coloured that with Copic markers, and then I coloured in the sea and then the sky as well, like I said, all with Copic markers. Stamped out the images on separate pieces of cardstock, coloured those in and fussy cut those out and just popped them on the icebergs. And then I heat embossed the sentiments onto black cardstock with white embossing powder. I just thought they'd make quite cute little gift tags. Next up is the Build a Snowman set, another really fun set. So again, there's lots of characters that are building the snowmen. So there's two snowmen already built, and then you've kind of got like the body, so the dog could be putting the head on, or the cat there. You've got the bunny with the carrot, a little penguin there with the or a duck, I suppose, penguin or a duck, I think, with the arms, and then the like bear there with the hat, and then the other bear with the scarf, which is really cute. You can have them all as one big scene, but I think you could just use like one or two characters as well. Again, some fun sentiments, sending warm hugs, you are worth melting for. If snowflakes were kisses, I'd send you a blizzard. We miss you all snow much. So like I said, again, with a lot of these sets can be used for Christmas, but also can be used for general winter cards and the holidays, and also people that just live in cooler climates as well. Next up is the Nordic Plushie set, another one of my favourites this month. Well, I love them all, but there are some that you kind of gravitate towards more than others. And I just thought these characters were just so cute with their kind of like Nordic like jumpers on, and then the hats, the little scarves there, one holding the bauble or the ornament depending on what you want to call it, and they're just so cute. And then there's this scene here which I think could be used for in lots of different ways. It could be used as kind of like a general houses with trees, and then you could do like green for grass, but I did it as like a snowy scene. I thought they looked a bit like chalets, and so I thought I would do it kind of like a snowy scene and just kind of drew in some snow on the tops of the trees. So definitely versatile that scene in particular can be used, I think, all year round. And then some lovely sentiments: warmest wishes, season's greetings. You've got peace on earth, warm hugs, and then you've got happy that can be used for like happy holidays, happy new year. And then you've got from all of us, so again, kind of mix and match sentiments. I love that Clearly Besotted mix and match all their sentiments so that you can use them in lots of different ways. And there are also little other elements like the button there, the little heart, a circle which could be used as a snowball or could be used as the moon or a sun in the sky. You've got stars there as well. So really great set for scene building in particular. And this is the card that I made using that set. Like I said, I went for like a snowy scene. So I stamped out the image first, cut that with a heart die, and then I drew in some little snow so that I could just have it on the tops of the trees. And then I tried to do it so like the snow was kind of like on the roofs of the houses. I'm not sure how well that worked, but I still like how the card turned out. And then I did some distress inking in the sky, and then I used the, sorry, there's a little bit of dust on there. I used the freshly cut stencil from Clearly Besotted to just move it down as I went and added a little bit of distress ink on the top, so it kind of looked a bit like snowbanks, I thought. And then you've got the cute little character there. I think he's a reindeer, but he probably could be something dressed up as a reindeer, because you know at Christmas a lot of people have like their little reindeer horns and things, but I'm going with that's a little reindeer. I thought he was so cute with his little jumper on. And then the sentiment there is from the pop-up stamp set. And then last but not least, this is the Flamingo set. So it's got lovely flamingos, really, really cute. Can be used with this scene here with the kind of lake there iced up with the mountains and the tree. But the flamingos could be used separately as well. I love that they've all got the little hats on. They're just so cute. Extra little details like the holly, and you could have this as a bow tie or a little bow in the hat. Some ornaments that could be hanging from the tree, little stars, hearts, things like that. Clearly Besotted always add in little extra bits to kind of make the most of the stamp set, which is really good. Some fun sentiments: let's party like flock stars, let's flamingo ho ho, 'tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 mingo. So yeah, really fun set. Again, perfect for the holidays and Christmas, but I think you could probably get away with using these flamingos, maybe not all year round, but a lot of the time I think as well. And so this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the kind of landscape image, coloured that with Copic markers, did some distress inking in the sky, and then stamped out the flamingo on a separate piece of cardstock. I did stamp the holly leaves first, mask them off, and then stamp the flamingo on top so that it looks like she's got some holly leaves on the top of her hat. And then I just heat embossed the sentiment there onto black cardstock as well. I quite like purples for the scene. I thought it worked quite nicely with the pinks and the reds on the flamingo. So that was the new release from Clearly Besotted for October 2022. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the release. I think it's really cute. A lot of kind of Christmas wintry sets, but then some floral sets as well. Links to the products that I shared will be listed in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.